Welcome to Hardware Learning. Today we are installing Bluetooth on a 2011 GMC, or is this a Chevy Suburban?
Nope,
Chevy?
GMC Yukon XL.
Which is the same thing, right?
Yep.
First thing we're gonna do, bust the move on this this here plate. So we just gotta sneak a pry behind that.
Which is
easier said than done always.
Yes.
And it always feels like you're breaking it. So try to
grip it on the inside.
Feel for wherever it is and try to pry as close to that spot as possible. It's interesting. This whole like panel is coming with it.
It looks like it's all one piece though.
In the video that I saw, like this outside piece is all one piece. Here, I would try to keep this a little close because it might rip there, and then just work. Can you get the wedge over here maybe? There we go.
Which edge?
Yeah, like down towards the bottom on the outside.
There we go. Easier said than done.
And we left. So this is what we're installing. Find your link on Amazon in the description. LAN 29-bit Bluetooth hands-free interface. Oh jeez. Comes with this little box. It should be basically plug and play. So there must be just like a spare harness in there that isn't used.
So you pull the harness out of the back of the receiver and plug it into here.
And this
then
kind of replaces
it plugs. Yep.
Yeah.
It plugs into one of these.
And then we'll run a
mic line to.
Where do you want to run that?
I don't know. The best spot it says is up here, but I have no idea if you're.
Yeah.
Yeah. I saw one guy run it, so he ran it under Silverados, a lot of GM vehicles. Yep, they all definitely just overlap. Gonna have to take out, plug this into the wire harness and run it to the Bluetooth module, so.
Are you able to see?
I mean, I can see daylight. Yeah, I can kind of see it if you go up a little higher. There we go. Yep. I don't know which end I need to. There we go. That part's through.
Okay. Well, they're colored, right? So, are they keyed in anyway?
Yeah.
So then you basically can't plug it in wrong, right? For sure. Well, here, just turn that one quick. Yeah, the keys are in different spots. So you can't screw this up because there's a key that basically forces you to get it into the right plug. And over here, I popped this little plastic guy off. There's a 7mm. I'm going to sneak the microphone cable behind that, but we're probably going to want to size up our length first. So we'll get this guy clipped up here somewhere. I wonder where you even clip that guy. Underneath this.
Yep.
If you can. Oh. Okay.
And then run the cord
Above somehow.
Tuck it in there.
Try to like wedge it.
And there we go.
And I'll just tuck that box back there. Get the mic plugged in.
Yep, mic's plugged in.
Alright, and then before we batten down everything, we should test it.
Yep. Okay. So the way you do it is you go to the XM, and Blue Logic is the sort of connection, I guess. You're supposed to hold the seek over button until it says pairing. Maybe it's the other seek. There, it chirped. Should probably have my phone out for this. So then you'll see the Blue Logic pop up on here. And we are connected. When I play
Hardware Learning YouTube video.
Let's watch this Audi RS3 blow up.
And an ad.
Get that revenue.
The number of antivirals, I would imagine that would be one.
There we go. Sounds proper.
You should be able to turn the volume up and down with the steering wheel controls.
Oh.
Hello and welcome to Hardway Learning, where we look.
Oh, yep. You're skipping to the next part of the video.
How do I turn it up?
The back paddles. Nope, behind.
Oh.
Turn it up.
Look how happy he's so happy.
And that'll turn it down.
Nice.
One of the perks of using this model, the BTGM-33, is you get to maintain your hands controls on the steering wheel. And I mean, part of the reason why you're putting this in is so you can go hands-free from your phone. So.
Because it's illegal to hold a phone in Minnesota. And hands-free is dope.
Mm-hmm.
Cool. Well, we're gonna snake this guy along the back edge here, down the weather stripping, and then through this side panel that just comes off just as easy as the, you know, they're just these sort of spring retainer.
Yep.
And we'll be good as gold, as always. Thanks for watching. Tune in next time.